In this video, you'll learn how to create a Binance wallet account. By following these steps, you will be able to register your account, secure it properly, and access its features effectively. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to register your account. This is typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the button labeled Register. You will then be directed to a registration page where you can choose to sign up using either your email address or phone number. After selecting your preferred registration method, provide the required information, enter your email address or phone number in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that is unique and secure. It is important to choose a password that contains a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Once you've filled in these details, you must accept the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box following this. Complete the CAPTCHA verification to prove that you are not a robot. After confirming these details, submit the registration form to create your account. Once your account is created, log in using the credentials you just established. To enhance the security of your wallet, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. Additionally, if the option is available, set an anti-phishing code to help protect against. Take time to review all security settings carefully and avoid sharing your login credentials with anyone. Regularly updating your password is also advisable to maintain account security. Now that your account is secure, you can access the wallet features. From your dashboard, locate the wallets section. Here, you will find different types of wallets, including spot, funding, and earn wallets. Familiarize yourself with the various deposit and withdrawal options available. It is crucial to check which assets are supported in each wallet. When you are ready, start with small transactions to ensure everything is functioning correctly. This will complete the setup of your Binance wallet account. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.